Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, The King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research. Try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the House of Surrati. House of Surrati is from Saudi Arabia. They have been around for many years, 50 years plus, and their speciality is perfume oils. They make one of the best perfume oils in the Middle East, so they know what they're doing. Majority of what they do, as I said, is perfume oils, but from time to time they release eau de parfum and the sprayers. So when I see that, I am excited to see how they are. And this one in particular, called Ameer Al Oud by Surrati, and it's 100 ml eau de parfum, is targeted unisex. In United Kingdom you can find it around £30 or maybe a little bit less, and let's see how it goes. But before I do that, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, hit those buttons. Your help, your support will take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. And also you could share this video with others. This way you spread the message. You know, I'm bringing these beautiful bargains for you. Like, comment, subscribe, all those good things will help. Thank you, and let's go. So nice box, is a beautiful design to it. As always, the Middle Eastern houses, they give you everything plus the kitchen sink for the price, so under £30. Sorry about the noise. Very pretty design. Oh, the bottle is gorgeous. Look at that, beautiful bottle. So Ameer Al Oud by Surrati, and here we go. Very, very heavy bottle, from light green to dark green. Says Ameer Al Oud Eau de Parfum 100 ml, and the cap is plastic, but it's got a very heavy weight to it. The atomizer is golden. Here we go. Not the best atomizer, but it's okay, it does the job. Goes. Alright, here we go. So Ameer Al Oud by Surrati Eau de Parfum 100 ml. As I said, in the United Kingdom you can find it around £30. In other places I'm expecting it to be similar prices. You have to do your research, Google it and see if it comes up. United Kingdom is not readily available. It's just one or two places you can find it. In other countries I'm not sure. Okay, so here we go. First sniff, first impression. Oh yes, yes, yes. So we have an oriental. This is woody, rosy, floral. Yes, yes, yes. First sniff, beautiful. Holy moly, this is very beautiful. So as I said, they specialize in perfume oils, and they are one of the best in making perfume oils in the Middle East and also in the world. And for that, they know what they're doing. And look at this. It's just a balance of everything, so perfectionist. It's beautifully done and it's gorgeous. Rose. I can smell something earthy, muddy, chocolatey probably. Is patchouli. Very woody, as he says, Ameer Al Oud, so you expect that it's very woody, and also the oud is there, but at the moment the oud is in the background. Cinnamony sweet, so it's quite cinnamony sweet. Sweetness I would say around 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest, around 7 to 8, so it's quite sweet. It's very, very smooth, so I'm expecting to have something like sandalwood or maybe a jasmine in here to making it very smooth, or even vanilla, because it's very rounded, very smooth, very balanced. Everything is done very nicely here. I can smell something green in the background, so I'm not sure what's this, but it's green, it's leafy, is wood chippy, is wood trunky. It's like you're in the woods and you're smelling all parts of that woods, tree trunks, tea leaves, sorry, tree leaves, the roots of the the earth, and also some floral around. The rose is the biggest player here, but there are so many other florals. As I said, I smell jasmine. I can smell something like orange blossom as well, and also it's quite musky. The musk here is quite clean. It's not animalic or anything like that. The oud is clean as well. The oud is not animalic. It's not barnyard. It's not funky or anything like that. It's just very very wearable, very palatable, very quite easy going. Okay. Yeah, very very nicely done. But you need to like your Orientals because this is super Oriental. This is very Middle Eastern, very Arabic smelling to it. But I love it. It's just done to perfection. You smell this kind of smell when you go to Middle East a lot, but for that price, almost unheard of. Because you can go to the boutiques, the big names in the Middle East, and you smell this, but when you go to the cheaper ones, it hardly smells anything similar to it. So for that, I'm loving it. For the price, it smells much more expensive. It smells at least few times what I paid for it. And that's the beauty of Middle Eastern fragrances. Not only they are very, very good value for money, they smell good and the quality is superb. For a price, they give you everything. Look at the presentation is excellent. The juice is excellent, the smell is excellent, the perfume is excellent, the quality of the ingredients is excellent. So that's why you can see me, I'm smiling, because everything is done here very beautifully. And that's the strength of these Middle Eastern houses, and that's why I bring you these things to your attention, because for the similar price, if you go to European, you won't get anything like this anywhere near it for the price. Yeah, if you want to go to European big names, for the similar smell, you have to pay 5, 6, up to 10 times on what I'm smelling here. And that's the beauty of it. Gorgeous. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous. It's bang in the middle. Ladies and men can wear it, no problem. Even though there's a rose oud in here, it's not a typical combination of rose oud. The rose here is not jammy, is not dark, it's quite bright. It's quite happy rose instead of being dark rose. It's a happy rose, and also the oud is similar. It's not a dark, danky, super earthy. No, it's quite happy oud in here. So overall, it's done to perfection. I'm loving it. For the first impression, yes, 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 100%. It's just we have to wait and see the performance, but I am smelling it. It's just it's filling the room right now. I'm expecting it to last quite a good time. If the performance is anything like what I'm smelling, Mamma Mia, we have a super banger on our hand, and I will let you know in the next video. Season definitely better for cooler weather because it's quite sweet, and also the the ingredients in here making it a little bit better suited for cooler weather. But it's one of those fragrances, there is some freshness to it as well. You can use it in warmer weather but less sprayer, in hotter weather, in warmer weather, sorry, in cooler weather more sprays. And this is definitely for going out, special occasion, evening formal occasions. And in terms of age, I would say 25 and up to be in the safe side, because again it's very very complex, is oriental, and is woody, floral, cinnamony, sweet, little bit of ashiness to it, little bit of dustiness to it, little bit of smokiness to it, but not much. It's not a super heavy smoke, it's just a little bit of just a hint of it. And overall, I'm loving it. There's big patchouli here as well. There's a musk in here, making it, giving it that freshness. So beautiful to the max. I'll let you know in the next video the rest of it. As always, thank you very much for joining me. If you like what I do, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, you encourage me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future. Your help will take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. And if you want to support me by buying one of my own fragrances, they are super artistic, ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money, very intriguing and unusual, but you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I'll leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.